We've all been there on a dirt bike, stuck on a rocky path, spinning our wheels, not really going anywhere. Sometimes in life we can face challenges that feel the same way, and we need a little outside help to get over that hump and back on our way. That's why I'm happy to say that BetterHelp is the sponsor of today's video. BetterHelp is a great resource for when you're faced with a challenge that feels a little hard to manage all on your own. Searching for a therapist can feel like a time-consuming and cumbersome process, but not with BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an immediate and accessible way to meet with a therapist that can help you work through whatever it is you're dealing with. Simply head over to their site using the link in the description and answer some questions about yourself to get a personalized match with a licensed professional. I was paired with an awesome older guy with lots of life experience, and his wisdom has given me a fresh perspective. Therapy isn't one size fits all, and BetterHelp knows this. You'll be matched with someone who has experience helping people with struggles just like yours. BetterHelp offers a variety of ways to engage in your therapy, including messaging, voice, and video chat, all from the comfort of your own home. Let BetterHelp give you a helping hand today. Visit betterhelp.com/mattspears or choose Matt Spears during sign up and enjoy a special discount on your first month. Thank you so much, BetterHelp, for sponsoring this video. The sponsors make these videos possible. Let's get back on the Varg. I'm gonna wait for him to get a little further along, then I'll go for it. Yeah, buddy! Check this out. Wow. That is amazing. Onward! Come on, Kyle. May the force be with. Come on, little Vargy. You beast! Dude! This Varg's insane! It's partially the Varg, partially the rider, but that was epic. What horsepower motor are you in? Pretty low. That was 45 horse. No! Not the egg! Nice! Oh, that was so close. Woo! Whoa! Jeez, cover my eyes. Wow. This is dangerous. You got it, Kincaid. Dang, it's steep. How are you doing?
Great, man.
That doesn't look good right there. Uh-oh. That was a rodeo!
All the way back down.
Watch your eyes, I'm gonna go. Hey, watch the fresh paint!
You almost got my egg too. No!
Hey, let's try out the pro mode. Yeah. Wow. What the heck?
Watch your eyes.
Safety squints applied.